Good afternoon, Niner Nation. I'm student meteorologist Cavan Stanaway bringing you your UNC Charlotte forecast. Take a look at the satellite imagery. We've got strong precipitation and thunderstorms out here in the northeast, moving offshore, following a cold frontal boundary that's dipping off into the south. This will bring us much cooler temperatures coming onto this evening. This is 8 o'clock tonight, about 75 degrees here for Charlotte. You can see this big cold pool of air approaching the southeast, making its way, as it is about in the mountainous regions of Appalachia, 5 o'clock as we speak now. Very warm, hot and dry temperatures still in parts of Texas and parts of the deep south. Going into the evening, this cold front could bring down our temperatures about to the lower 60s, possibly upper 50s. For the future cast, cold front moving right offshore here, big ridge of high pressure moving in behind that, bringing in our cool and dry temperatures for Friday and Saturday. There's a small wave developing out here in the Central Plains that is making its way west, kind of over Tennessee. That'll increase our rain chances for Sunday evening, about after 3 p.m. or so. This is our weekend outlook. High temperature for tomorrow, 76 degrees. We have not seen that in a while. That'll feel very nice. Sunny both Friday and Saturday. High temperature on Saturday, 79 degrees. There's a little bit of a warming trend as that wave approaches from the west. Small chance for rain on Sunday evening. Now on to our tropical update. Obviously, you can see very prominent Hurricane Fiona in the Atlantic Basin approaching North Nova Scotia area. We've got Tropical Storm Newton off the western coast of Mexico and Tropical Storm Gaston in the North Atlantic. Take a look here at Hurricane Fiona. Very deep convection here around the eye wall with a very strong inflow tail. You can see these lightning strikes indicating nice strong inflow. This little black dot here is Bermuda. They're currently experiencing the very first rain bands as we speak now. Best of luck to the folks on Bermuda. Sustained winds, 130 miles per hour. It definitely puts it up at a Cat 4 hurricane with a central pressure of 936 millibars. This is the projected track by the National Hurricane Center. It's got it making landfall sometime Saturday morning as a hurricane in Nova Scotia, possibly Newfoundland. So if you live up here in the eastern coast of Canada, definitely pay close attention to the storm. It could bring some damaging impacts. As it moves north, the hurricane itself could widen, extending the impacts out from the center of the eye. And you can see here the very narrow cone here. That means that models are in good agreement with this track. Now, onto Invest98. This is a circulation just off the north coast of Venezuela. Right now, it's just a group of showers and thunderstorms. You can kind of see lightning strikes with those yellow dots there. But this is going to move into some very warm water here into the Southern Caribbean and the Northern Caribbean. Model tracks have it moving into this area. All this red here, water well above 80 degrees. Plenty of fuel for this hurricane to intensify. Here are the model projections. This black line here in the center, that's the mean model track. A lot of these models have this hurricane intensifying over this area of warm water here, moving into the Gulf Coast. If you live anywhere here on the Gulf Coast of the United States, you definitely need to pay close attention to this storm. It is likely to intensify if it can stay over this warm water here into the Gulf Coast into a major hurricane. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you.